Makeupbypita tips, welcome back to another video. Today I'm filming a highly requested video. I always get asked what to recommend for beginners, whether it's foundation or just a whole kit in general. So I decided to come to Walmart because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have a Walmart near you. Also because Walmart carries a lot of drugstore makeup. When I first started using makeup, I started using drugstore, and I think it works perfectly fine because you practice your makeup so much that you're pretty much wasting a lot of makeup and you won't feel as bad because it's pretty affordable. If you guys really like this video, I would do the exact same thing. I would go to Ulta or Sephora and do the same video but with high-end makeup. So now let's go into Walmart and see what we can find.
I mean, I really think you should.
Okay, outside of beautiful Walmart, let's see what we can find. Okay, we're gonna start off in the Milani side. Let's start off with brows. I really like this brow pencil because I really like the formula of it. I really like doing my brows with pencils lately, so I highly recommend you this one. There's different shades depending on the color here of your brows. They also have the little pomade. The pomade is also really good. It's not a dupe like the Anastasia one, but it gets the job done for the price that you pay. Down to blushes, I loved this blush. This one is called Luminoso. The reason I like Luminoso is because it has kind of like a little shine to it. Plus you can also contour with this one and add your blush at the same time. The Milani section doesn't have prices, so I'm really sorry, but don't worry, everything is super affordable. And this one is also one that I highly recommend. The powder blush Romantic Rose is such a beautiful color. It looks like a blush, but it doesn't look super intense, if you know what I mean. That's the reason I like it. Now these I highly recommend because the formula is so good. These are the highlights. Sun Glow, Glowy, and Day Glow are amazing colors. I really like it, so I highly recommend you this highlight. Plus your highlight will be popping throughout the whole day. I really like the formula of them. Since I'm already here, these look new. I haven't seen these. That one looks really pretty. It's like their new Rose Glow highlight palettes. Honestly, if I was you, I would buy one of these instead of buying this one because that's honestly a better deal. And then foundation wise, I recommend you this foundation. It is so good. Let me tell you why. Because if you have oily skin, this will keep you matte throughout the whole day and it will conceal literally everything. I used to use this foundation all the time. I don't even know why I stopped using it, but I highly recommend it. Like literally it will cover every single flaw. It's amazing and it will keep you matte the whole day. Moving on to lippies, this is a more matte lip cream. I love the formula of their matte lip creams. It will literally last you, it says it's 16-hour wear, but the longest I've worn them is like for 8 hours. That's if you don't eat, but if you eat like me, it'll probably last you like 6 hours or so. And these are some of my all-time favorite ones. These are the lippies that I first started when I started doing makeup. The formula is amazing. Now these are more like a sheer. These are my favorite ones. The matte ones actually have, where is it, Naked. This one is one of my all-time favorite nudes. And they also have one that I believe was called Teddy, something like that. Oh no, it's Beauty. This one is also really pretty nude color. Move on to mascaras. The reason this mascara is one of my all-time favorite ones is because it is a dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara, and without no doubt, it even looks like the packaging. It's only $8.97. It will make your lashes so big and so long and such a difference. Really love it. It is this one, the telescopic, and it's only $8.44, and there's this version right here and this one. Unfortunately, they don't make the version that I first started using with, which was this color was gray, the packaging was gray, but they do the exact same thing, except I think this one is waterproof. Yeah, so these I highly recommend. The telescopic, $8.44. They last on a really long time, and dramatic looking, like they are not kidding. It will literally make your lashes so long. Also, this is another really good one. This is for your brows. This one right here is really good. Now this one definitely is kind of like the Anastasia one. This is like the brow wiz, except do you guys see the difference? The little tip is very different compared to a pencil one, so you're definitely looking more for like the Anastasia one. This is really good for you right here, and obviously you just get the color compared to your hair color. This one is really good as well. All right, another foundation I recommend you is this one. This is the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible. Oh my god, this foundation is the one that I wear in every single video, and it will literally last you a really long time, and it keeps you matte. If you have oily skin, again, this will definitely keep you matte. It's really pretty. I like the way it glides on the skin. It still looks like you're wearing makeup, but doesn't look like too fake. You can still see through your skin. Does that make any sense? I hope it does. These right here, these are really good. Like if you're looking for something to contour with, the Cocoa one is called Cocoa. Literally, it's $10.97. You can use this to contour or to bronze your whole face. This one makes such a difference and it's super affordable. affordable. If you have like super dry skin, you can use this one, which is the glow one, $10.87. This one will definitely make your skin a little bit more oily, so this one I recommend for people that have dry skin, and again, it's really good. Okay, and then if you're also a beginner by yourself, these are the Real Techniques beauty blenders. They're only $4.88, and this one, honestly, I have purchased the Real Beauty Blender that's $19.88 at Sephora, and I really like this one. Plus, beauty blenders tend to get really dirty really fast, and you cannot let them just sit there because then bacteria will grow into them. So the fact that it's only $4.88, so that's great because you can also keep rebuying them as you need to, and you won't waste a lot of money. If you're looking for brushes, Real Technique brushes are really good for the price that they are. They're really good, like I highly recommend them. Or if you want something a little bit more affordable, the Moda ones are also really great, and you literally get 4 brushes for $13.88, so that's a good price. Lashes, Kiss lashes, pay $8 for 5 pairs. That is super great, like you cannot get a better deal than that. And then for lash glue, the Kiss strip lash glue, this one is so good. Plus it's clear, so you won't be able to tell when you put on your eyeliner, because that's good, because it's happened to me where I apply my eyeliner and then I literally have like a big strip of glue just showing there, and it is not cute. So definitely I really like this one because it's clear and it really does get the job done. Another great highlighter are these, the Maybelline Master Chromes. These are really good. I don't like how they don't have any prices on them. And like I said, everything that I'm showing you guys is affordable, so don't worry. These are really good. I like the formula of them. They do have the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour. This foundation, I cannot rave how great it is, guys. It is so good, and it is definitely high coverage. I know this one for sure is $9.99. They have different colors. Make sure to get your right color, because I grabbed 2 shades lighter because I thought it was going to oxidize. And nope, it didn't oxidize. It's not way too light for me. Highly recommend them. And then also concealer wise, their Maybelline concealers are amazing, and they're only $5.50. I really love these. They're great. So you can definitely use this to conceal, or you can use this one as well to like contour your face. So for like $10 you get your conceal and your cream contour. So these are also really good. The Maybelline Fit Me, the dewy ones, these are a little bit more affordable than the other Super Stay that I showed you guys. This one over here, this is for your matte and poreless, and this one is for dewy and smooth. So it just depends on the skin you have going on. Okay, now that I'm not recommending these, but question, have any of you guys tried the new CoverGirl All Day Matte? If you have, please let me know in the comments down below, because they have such beautiful colors that I want to try, but I don't know if they're good. So if you have tried them, let me know in the comments down below, please. Okay, if you guys want something super affordable, you can definitely check out e.l.f. They have a lot of things. They have eyeliners, concealers, they have highlighting powders, corrective concealer ones. This is one of my all-time favorite highlighters. This one right here, it is in Moonlight Pearls. The only thing is you have to scrape off the first layer, and then you'll get to like the good stuff. So this one is really good, and I think they're $3, and they have different shades on these. They have eyelash curlers, which honestly for eyelash curler you don't need a really expensive one. You can just pay this one right here. They have this Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, I don't think I had ever seen this one. That is so cute. For palettes, eyeshadow palettes, I really can't recommend one because I've never tried any drugstore palettes, so I'm really sorry for that. But for brushes, you can also grow your brush collection with e.l.f. or you can grow your brush collection with Life Glam. Link down below in the description box. Use these e.l.f. brushes. They're super for like $1. So, or you can buy those up there, which are a little bit more expensive, but definitely you can grow your brush collection with e.l.f. Super affordable. They also have beauty blenders, but not really recommend them because they seem pretty stiff. They don't seem like they're really soft and good to blend. And they have primers, more face primers and all that stuff. I haven't tried any of their face primers, so wouldn't be able to really tell you, but they have a lot of stuff if you're more into like super affordable stuff. Okay, for Wet n Wild, I recommend you their highlighters. I again love the formula. These are a little bit more affordable. They're $4.68 as you guys can tell. This right here, 333B, is one of my favorite shades. And also, oh, if you want a lippy, the matte liquid lipstick formula lasts so long, guys. Literally, take all my advice that I'm telling you into consideration, because these will last a really long time. I love the Give Me Mocha. That's the shade that I have, and they're super good, and they will literally last you a long time. They also have the new ones. They're the metallic shades. I haven't tried these, but if you have, let me know. And if you want a super affordable foundation, this one is the way to go. $4.68 for the Photo Focus foundation. It is so good, and it is pretty full coverage, and it will last you a really long time. So all the foundations that I'm recommending you guys are full coverage and long lasting, so this is one of my all-time favorite ones as well. Setting spray, they have the Photo Focus setting spray. This one is really good. I've tried this one and I like it. Now they have this one, and they have one to keep you matte. I haven't tried the matte one, but I know the natural one really does work. And they also have a new face primer, so you can probably try that one out. It'll probably work. Again, they have the one for dewy, then one for matte skin. Okay, for powders, I don't really have a favorite drugstore to bake, My all-time favorite one is the Laura Mercier, and that one's like high-end. But if you're looking for like a powder to set your whole face, these are really good. These are the long-lasting shine control by Rimmel. This is the one that I first started when I started doing makeup. Oh my god, it brings back so many memories. I use a transparent one, but they have natural sandstorm and silk beige, just depending on your skin tone color. But these I highly recommend, and they will keep you matte. I really need to start using things for dewy skin because I feel like I'm only telling people for oily skin. But yeah, this is the one that I really like. So yeah. Okay, for eyeliner, I highly recommend you do this one. It's the Maybelline Eye Studio. It's $5.94, and I love even the little brush. So like if you buy this one, you definitely don't need a brush, a separate one to apply your eyeliner. This is the one that I first started using, and it is great to practice. The reason I recommend this one is $5.94, super affordable. When it comes to eyeliner, guys, I used to practice so much that I wasted so much eyeliner. So if you waste it, it's not a problem. It was only $6, and I really recommend this one. Okay, so everyone talks about these makeup remover wipes. They're $3.48, and they literally comes, no freaking way. Oh no, they're these right here, $5.97, and you get 2 packs. So you get a total of 160 wipes. Oh no, you get a total of 80 wipes for $5.97. Everyone talks really good things about these. So I'm gonna take these and try them out. So yeah, if you come to Walmart, definitely buy these because everyone talks really good things about it. So I'm trusting everyone's opinion, so now I'm gonna take them for me. Okay guys, I'm outside of Walmart. I really hoped you guys enjoyed this video. I was telling my boyfriend this is like the most chilled video I've ever done. Thank you guys so much for watching. The only thing I got were these right here, these makeup remover wipes. It's a great buy, guys. I literally got 80 makeup remover wipes for $6 when originally that's what I paid for one makeup remover bag. So this is a really good deal. It's definitely a steal. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. That way it lets me know if you guys liked it. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like me to do the exact same video but with high-end makeup, going to Ulta or Sephora. So let me know down below in the comment section. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye guys.